The impacts of the court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade is being felt here in Texas. Jesus Martinez spoke to some local professors to get more context for the court's opinion.
What this means for the state of Texas is what it's going to mean for every state, which is the state legislature has pretty much unfettered right to decide how they're going to regulate abortion.
Texas's trigger law, also known as House Bill 1280, would make nearly all abortions illegal in the state, unless the mother's life is at risk. Doctors who go through with an abortion could face life in prison and a fine of at least $100,000. Last year, the Texas legislature passed Senate Bill 8, which would ban abortions after 6 weeks of the pregnancy. It's unclear what's going to happen with that bill.
And I think for pro-life advocates, it's, well, what do you need SB 8 for now that you've got your trigger law?
Now that the states have the power to ban or protect abortions, Barrett says the states will be on opposite ends when it comes to this decision.
You're going to have a very polarized legal environment where in some states it's legal, as much as you want, right? There's no restrictions at all, or very few. And then in other states, it's going to be completely banned.
According to Attorney General Kim Paxton, prosecutors can start to pursue charges under pre-Roe v. Wade laws that the state of Texas has had on its books. Roe v. Wade was in place for about 50 years. Now that it's been revoked, legal scholars say it'll be compelling to see where the country goes from here.
That'll be very interesting to see if some of these states that have, like Texas, that have very strong restrictions, if politically they'll be able to sustain that in the long run. Maybe they can, maybe they can't.
Now every state is free to address that issue how they decide to.
And Tyler, Jesus Martinez, CBS 19.